What happened?
I have no idea what happened. I heard it on the horn and then I came out.
I thought they tried to rob the
Thằng đó làm gì đâu
thingy.
mà nó dí súng nó bắn.
Hả?
Nó bắn súng điện à, nó bắn súng điện thôi.
Em không biết.
This is crazy, y'all. They had guns drawn and everything.
Him grab some cop and him run there, but the police they have to get the cop and they think him have the job.
He robbed somebody?
Yes, and him have a gun at the back, something they check the job.
Oh.
And they have the the doctor check him.
Okay.
That one we have to start to let the gun to him.
Okay. Thank you. He got in my way.
Go check it out.
Yes. He tried to rob that damn truck right going down the street. Stupid ass. But I am recording at a safe distance so the police can carry out their civilly duties. Yes. He checking under this car. I don't know. But I'm being nosy. As I should. Because it's going up on Tuesday. You got the girls in the club and she Tuesday. Yes. I'm getting this footage. Hey! What you gonna do when they come for you? Somebody would play that song right now. It's been petty and messy at the same time. I like it. Yes. He been messy. Play that song. He been messy. He been messy. Messy. Play that song. But I'm finna go. I got something to do today. Yes, you know everybody stopping. Being nosy. Yeah, he finna go and do his extended stay. Yes, he's gonna do his extended stay. You got the National City Police and you got the regular police. He's gonna do his extended stay and he did not collect his $200 after go. No, you do not collect your $200 after go, baby. Now, go sit your ass down. It's too hot for this shit. That car right there playing that song, Bad Boys. Hey, messy. Yeah. So go ahead. Go Jess. Shit. I guess he tried to rob the money truck? Yeah. Yeah.
With a gun or?
Yeah, he had a gun. Yep. All right. Okay. Yeah. He tried to rob the money truck. The guy right there by the car. He had a gun and everything. Yep.
One of the big old churches, them square churches?
Yeah, the money trucks?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that man.
He shows out here too.
Uh-huh. They had their guns on him and everything.